Good morning, everybody. How's everyone's 4th of July week going so far? Hopefully, everyone's week is going well. Awesome, awesome. Can everybody hear me? Give me a one in the chat if you can hear me. Awesome. Good job, guys. Okay. Ed 2, does that mean you can't hear me? All right, fantastic. Fantastic. Well, hope everyone's having a great week. I've had a great trading week. I went 3 and 0 on the week for 5.97 R, so that was a great week. I took off all week last week. I was down in the Florida Keys with my wife, having a great enjoyable time with her. So it was great to take a break, not really do anything on the charts and come back refreshed. And I actually took 2 overnight trades. Took a trade on Tuesday night going into Wednesday. I took it right at midnight, went to sleep, woke up, had 2.38 R. So it's nice to go to sleep and wake up to a profit for sure. So very good, very good. So I'm going to start off with the elephant in the room, guys. I'm going to have to apologize to the community as a whole. Probably going to get some hate about this, but I'll explain my reasoning behind it. I know on the last stream I had mentioned an automated way to run OSOK. Guys, I am not going to be releasing that to the public. And it's not because I don't want anybody to have it. It's that have talked to many people, some very very trusted and well-known developers in the automated trading space, as well as legal counsel. And guys, no matter what, I cannot release an automated strategy for OSOK. It is too much risk. Unfortunately, even if somebody were to sign a releasing me from all liability, somebody's going to use it improperly. Unlike most trading strategies that have a stop loss and a defined risk, an automated version of OSOK literally can cause somebody to lose tens of thousands of dollars in a matter of a second. And no matter what type of disclaimer or contract somebody may sign, waiving myself from any type of liability, that does not matter. Somebody can still bring a lawsuit against me, and even if I would win the lawsuit, I would still have to pay to defend myself. So I've been through multi-million-dollar lawsuits with previous businesses I owned. I don't want to go through that, guys. I'm not here making money from this stuff. I'm just trying to trade and pass accounts. So unfortunately, I am not going to be releasing the automated OSOC strategy, guys. So I apologized to the community. I spoke too soon. I didn't realize at the time when it was brought to me and I had mentioned it to you guys, the type of liability it could bring myself. And I don't. I'm in a point in my life, guys. I'm trying to make things less complicated, not more complicated. So that's that. So I know I've gotten a lot of questions about it. A lot of people asked where it is. I'm not doing it. Um, I encourage you guys. It's not a Pine script. It's done in NinjaTrader, so it's a NinjaTrader script. Um, I would imagine with ChatGPT, Grok, and DeepSeek nowadays, you guys could pretty much make your own for free and run it yourself. So I would highly release that. Yeah, Leonardo, it's too much, man. It's and like I said, the way I'm looking at it is, even if I were to charge money for it, maybe, $10, whatever it was, um, maybe 1,000 people might use it. I mean, that's how many people have downloaded my free OSOC indicator, right? So I can only imagine maybe that many people would do it. Plus, I'd have to deal with support. I mean, it's not worth it. It's just not worth it. So, I'm not going to be releasing it, guys. So that's that. I'm not going to speak about it again. I'm sure I'm going to get questions about it. You guys can hate on it or not. It's my decision. I'm not doing it. So, with that said, Let's go ahead and get to some pads. So I know a couple of people have asked about 50K my funded accounts, which I believe is 5 contracts and it's 5,000. I'm going to be honest with you guys. When it comes to my funded futures, because they have such a low contract ratio to the passing target, I would not try to pass a 50K my funded futures account on NFP. I would let that go to CPI. Okay, guys, there are certain accounts that are better based on the news event. And just because my funded futures has the lowest contract allocation based of all the prop firms out there, I wouldn't use it on NFP. And quite frankly, for the 50K accounts, I wouldn't even do it unless it's CPI. I would stick with Apex or Tradeify. They definitely have better contract ratios. So I myself today, I will be doing a 150K Tradeify account, which is 15 contracts, $9,000 passing, and I'm going to be running with a 22-point pad. So let's see here. So somebody just said $4,000 profit target with 5 contracts. It's probably going to be very similar to the My Funded Futures. Yeah, I want to do that. Not for this, guys. For NFP, guys. I would only be using Apex accounts. If you guys are wanting to go with 50Ks, I would only be using Apex accounts or the higher end Tradeify accounts. And let me correct myself. Not only 50K Apex accounts, but if you're going to do a 50K account, do it on Apex or any of the Apex accounts, because Apex gives you the highest contract allocation out of all the prop firms. So it's going to be the easiest to pass with that. So yeah, 250K Apex account. That's 27 contracts and it's 15,000. Your pad's going to be, I believe it's a 24. Yeah, 24-point pad is going to be the best for those that are trying to do a 250K Apex account. So highlights, I need to know a little bit more. If you guys want me to give you some numbers, I need to know your profit target and the number of contracts that you're going to be doing. You can't just say 50K Apex or 100K Apex. I'm not going to go look that stuff up. So you guys got to tell me. All right, so blessed and bullish. So we're going with 35 and 20,000. Let's see, 25, 22. 20. Yeah, it looks like a 23-point pad, blessed and bullish, would be, 23-point pad is going to be the best for a 300K or 350K, whatever it is, Apex. So 50K Apex, 10 minis, 3,000. See, that's much better than 5 contracts, 5,000, right? So yeah, you have a pretty high passing percentage there. Let's see how high we can get that passing percentage. Go 30. Yeah, look at that. So 30-point pad for a 50K Apex account is a 93% passing rate. So invest past 5 contracts, $3,000 profit target. I wouldn't do it. No, I wouldn't do it because you have very low, guys, I just said it. If you guys are not using 50K Apex accounts, don't use a 50K account on NFP. Your passing rate is going to be very low. Let me give you an example. So let's see, you had 5 contracts, 3,000, right? So you're at, let's see, 22. Okay, so a five contracts, 3K is better than 5 contracts, 5K. So that's 71% passing rate. Yep. So a 22-point pad would be it for that. CPI is in a couple weeks. 3 minis, 1,900. So you must have almost passed an account, huh? Let's see. $20-point pad would give you a 71% passing rate. Yep. So, 50K Apex. What is that? 5 contracts, 3,000. Yeah, that's why I said, guys, to use, if you're going to do a 50K account, to go with the Apex because you have a much better ratio than you do on other accounts. So you're going to be 22-point pad is going to give you your best passing rate at 71%. No, my funded futures, 3 minis, 3,000 It's only a 35% passing rate. That's why I said not to use those accounts. Apex account, 17 contracts. What's the passing percentage? Elite Sports. Let's see. What'd you say? 30-point pad. Bro, I don't know who just said that a 30-point pad on a 3K 5 minis. Okay, sorry, the wrong number. No, you must have an outdated spreadsheet. It's only 47 with a 30-point pad. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Enough with the pads. For those that are new, and for those that don't understand how to use the OSOK method, and the link to the in the description of this video, there is a pad or a indicator called the protection pad. That's what these two lines are here. You're going to put in the size pad that you're looking to use, which I'm using a 22-point pad. Okay. And the way you place the orders is we're placing them as stop orders, not limit orders and not market orders, but stop orders. Above price is going to be a buy stop. Below price is going to be a sell stop. First things first is you want to go into your trading view settings and you want to turn off instant order placement. This is the way you have to do it now. So turn off instant order placement first. Go above price, not right near price, but above it a bit. Right click on buy stop. Go ahead and click on the number there. Change to the number of contracts that you want. In this case, I have 15 contracts. And then you're going to take the TP and slide it up to your preferred profit. So for example, mine's 9,000 and I'm going to go 9,300. So just a little bit past the $9,000 target. And then you hit buy. And then you go below price, right click, and we're going to do a sell stop. Same thing, make sure you have the proper order quantity, drag down your profit number, and then hit sell. Now, once those orders are on your screen, we're going to go back to the settings, guys, and we're going to turn instant order placement back on. And the reason we do that is so that way when it's 5 seconds or so left, we're going to hold down the shift button and then we're going to drag the bracket orders to our protection pad. And then we're going to let go. So turning instant order placement back on will allow you guys to not have to confirm, yes, that I want to place this order. It will just automatically do it. So again, I am not going to be doing it on here. I am going to be using the automated strategy. So I'm just trying to be as transparent as I can, guys. I have passed over 20 accounts over the last year doing it this way. I'm doing it differently. Nothing wrong with that. That's just how I am. I just want to be completely transparent. So I'm still going to keep track because I have these position tools here and I will move them in place so that way you all can see it as well. So we got about a minute and 30 seconds left, guys. Yeah, the HRE, you must have missed the beginning of this. I am not giving away or selling the automated strategy. It's too much liability, and I'm not going to do it. So if you guys want a full explanation, rewatch this video. I'm not going to go over it again. I'm not trying to be an asshole. I've been bombarded with this, and at the advice of some legal counsel and very trusted developers, I'm not going to be releasing it to the public. It's too much liability. Alex, for me, I'm using a 22-point pad, and that is for a 50 or a 150K Tradeify account. So let's go ahead and focus, everybody. Good luck. We'll see if we get a nice one-sided move today. Everyone focus here. About 20 seconds, 23 seconds left or so. All right, I'm moving the orders in place, and we'll see what happens. Hey, guys. Pass. Hey, there you go. That was easy for everybody. Way to go. Way to go. I passed. I think everybody else passed. How'd everyone do? Pass, pass, passed. Let's go. Fantastic, everybody. Yep, you close out the other orders, everybody, if you haven't already done that. That was an easy one today, huh? I like it when they give us easy ones. Awesome. Passed. Fantastic. Everybody, that was beautiful. That was beautiful there. Yep. Great job, everybody. All right. That was an easy one. Yeah, this one was way easy. You get access to the pad. The link to the pad is actually in the description of this video. So, yep. You guys, also, if you guys are looking to join the Unicorn University, they are actually having a flash sale right now. They're doing 30% off for the next 48 hours. And I'll put a link. There's a link in the video right here. You can go ahead and click that. That'll get you in there. You just need to use the code July at checkout. Automated worked just fine, Nadir. It passed. In fact, it went way past my profit target there. So, but yeah, so that was another great successful OSOK. Hope everybody had a great one. Hope it worked for everybody. Yours missed, Boof? Yeah. Yep. Oh, you forgot to change. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Well, that's it for me, guys. That was a quick, simple, short stream. And we're going to just keep rolling. And hope everybody has a safe. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and remember to turn off instant order placement, guys, unless you want it on. Make sure you do that. And I hope everybody has a safe and happy 4th of July. And we'll be back at it on the next CPI. We'll catch you all in the next stream. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe. Risk properly. Have a good weekend. It's in the Lens Discord, Xavi. It's in my, if you go to my journal, it's in there. Yep. All right. Take care, everybody. Hey, Tristo, my man. All right. I'm out for real now.